This is the last tower of a fortress. Look at the walls. They are already lost. Attackers swarm the ramparts, blades drawn, while the defenders fight for every stone. This is a Mughal army storming a fort, one of the most violent, most crowded paintings an imperial workshop ever made. Folios like this came from the Akbarnama, the official chronicle of the Emperor Akbar, written by Abul Fazl in the 1590s. To illustrate it, the workshop turned nearly 50 painters loose on a single manuscript and told them to make war move. There is no single hero here. Your eye is thrown from fight to fight exactly as it would be on a real battlefield. So how do you take a fort like this? First, you have to reach the walls alive. Mughal engineers built a sabat, a covered trench, to push their heavy cannon close. Then the guns spoke. At every discharge, wrote Abul Fazl, the rocks opened their ears and a breach appeared in the wall. And once the wall was broken, the assault began. Look here. A soldier hauls himself up a rope, straight up the sheer face of the wall. Another climbs beside him, shield on his back, up into the arrows waiting above. This is the escalade, the most dangerous order in all of war. Be the first man over the wall. On the battlements, it is already hand-to-hand, sword against sword, at the very edge of the drop. Below, the emperor's war elephants press in toward the gate. Armored and painted for battle, a single elephant could break a gate and scatter a line of men. Around them, the melee. Cavalry, camels, and foot soldiers locked together in one churning mass. And through all of it, listen for the drums. War drums, carried on camel-back, beat the army forward and drowned the screams. In a Mughal assault, the sound itself was a weapon. Look how the painter fills every inch. No calm, no empty ground, only the total noise of the storming. Why paint a siege in such punishing detail? Because for Akbar, conquest was the argument. Every fort that fell was proof that the empire and the emperor could not be resisted. So his painters made the taking of walls into an art form. Chaos, arranged by a master's hand. 4 centuries later, it still has not stopped moving. For 4 centuries, folios like this lived in imperial albums, seen by almost no one. We restored this one from museum archives, and we offer it 2 ways. A framed print in black, natural or white, or an unframed fine art paper print with a free story of the painting card in every order. Free global shipping. It is part of the restored Mughal collection at Aurah Living. Find it at aurahliving.com. And if a 400-year-old battle can still hold you, stay with us. There are more.